Hi, I'm Katy Silcox, an occupational therapist working within the Tawe cluster, and I've been asked to talk to you today briefly about falls. A recent statistic shows that 30% of individuals aged 65 and over will experience at least one fall in a year. This increases to 50% for those aged over 80. Falls are a leading cause of hospital admission and can result in injuries and long-term complications. Furthermore, it can impact a person's confidence levels, leading them to do less activity at home, feeling isolated, and significantly reduce independence levels. However, what we know is that some falls can be prevented through proactive and preventable measures, environmentally, medically, and through small lifestyle changes. Therefore, it's so important if you or someone you know has a fall or at risk of falls or are fearful of falling, to tell your friends, families, and appropriate healthcare providers.